In 2004, Her Majesty the Queen opened our doors with a key forged from steel that travelled across 5 continents on a global journey of goodwill. Like our ornate brass door handles, shaped to bid guests a warm, Welsh croeso with open arms, we brought the world of performing arts to Cardiff Bay. Every year we attract 1.5 million visitors who come to see some of the world's greatest musical and dance productions. The centre's beating heart is the Donald Gordon Theatre, seating 1,896 visitors in front of one of the largest stages in Europe. This stunning lyric theatre was designed for voice rather than orchestra. 44,000 individually placed acoustic bricks and 121 holes in every seat help to deliver perfect acoustics no matter where you're seated. The Western Studio seats 250 people for more intimate music and theatre performances. The Glanfa, a large foyer chamber and lungs of the building, offers up free family activities, exhibitions and performances for all throughout the year. The building is vast, sitting on 7.5 acres of old dockland. Architect Jonathan Adams wished to create something unmistakably Welsh, internationally recognisable and outstanding. The building consists of 4,500 tonnes of local steel, clad in 2,000 tonnes of recycled Welsh slate with 5 types of sustainable Welsh hardwoods warmly lining the interior. The design merges Welsh landscape with industry, from the sea cliffs and steel of South Wales to the slate mines in the north, while the hull-shaped roof of the building reflects the maritime history of Tiger Bay. Finally, the iconic inscription represents the cultural tradition of stone carving, artistic excellence, values and integrity of the building. As the National Arts Centre, we're here to echo the cultural heartbeat of Wales. In these stones, horizons sing.